Hello students, this is BK Anwat and it's our second paper Geography of Travel and Tourism, and we are today will be focused on our second chapter Tourism Resources, and today we will be discuss the tourism as a resource. In this chapter, we are going to focus upon the what are the major attractions and what it mean location into the geography for the purpose of tourism. So, firstly, we will be focus upon the locational factors of the tourism. In that, we will be discuss upon the geographic locations. Mostly geographic location means what? Each and every things which is represent on the earth surface, they have the specific location. These locations are clearly categorized into the two parts. First is absolute location and another one is relative location. In tourism geography, this absolute location have the great value because of the peoples or the tourists have the should know the which is the accurate place and how to reach there. Such are the things are related with this one. So what mean by the location? Absolute location means the location which have the specific latitude and longitude. Means if we give the example of the Himalaya region, Himalaya have the specific latitude and longitude. Then India, England, United States, Australia, whenever I get the example of this country, that time they have the specific latitude and longitude. Like as India's latitude, everybody know that what is the latitude of India? 68 degree to 97 degree east, and longitude is 8 degree to once again 67 degree north. Means this the longitudinal extension of India. So here we have to know about the what are the location of these sites. Means we get the example of the Goa, then Mahabaleshwar, Kulu, Manali, Varanasi, then Ooty. These are the examples of the tourism sites, and they have the specific latitude and longitudinal extension. So absolute location have the great value into the tourism. Then relative location. Relative location means the features which relative with the absolute locations. Means sometimes the people are means the tourist is rich for the specific destinations, but they do not just see this one side, but along with it they focused upon the another sides. Like as we can get example of Brahmagiri in Trambakeshwar. Means the people who comes into the Trambakeshwar for the means if their visiting is regarding with the religious, that time they do not just uh, take to visit of the Jyotirlinga, but they also visit to the Brahmagiri. So Brahmagiri is a relative location. Such type of there are many locations whereas the tourism has been developed. The attraction in geography. There are the two types. These are the some types of the attraction whereas the people are get attract. The first is the natural features. The firstly the natural features means the feature which is created by the nature. There are so many natural features whereas the people are get fascinated and they are start to spend to see this wave. There is a waterfall. You can get the example of world best waterfall. Niagara is there. In India, the Girsappa. Then in surrounding us, the Dugarod is there. Then Dabosa. Then another there are means on the Lendi River. Dabosa is located in Trambakeshwar Tahsil. Then another waterfalls whereas the people Angel waterfall is there, the people are likely to visit there. Then there are many valleys the people are likely to visit. Then forest, these are the natural features whereas the people are fascinated towards this forest because of they want to know what is wildlife. Then many rivers, means like as if you want to visit into the England, that time you should to see the Thames is a world's among the one clean river. Then different landscapes, means the peoples are mostly visited into the Switzerland. They are mostly go to see the landscape view of Switzerland. Then seas, the people who are live into the intercontinent, they are the means sea are fascinated to these people towards them. Then volcano, the people are likely to visit or likely to see the active volcano, and in India or into the world there are many active volcanoes, and these volcanoes are the natural features whereas the people are get fascinated. In India, Barren Island is there where is the active volcano. Then into the Stromboli, then Fujiyama, such type of this volcanic region whereas the people are likely to visit. Then another attraction in geography is man-made objects. The people are not just attracted towards the natural features, they are mostly moved towards the man-made objects like as a bridge, towers. Yes, there are many bridges. They are famous. The London Bridge, then Howrah Bridge. And these are the bridges where the peoples are fascinated. Then towers, like as is the best example of tower is the Eiffel Tower of the France. Then forts, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj have the lots of the forts, and people are likely to visit these forts. These are the man-made objects like as Rajghat, or the it's also known as the Raigad is there. Sindhudurga, Murud Janjira in Maharashtra, then many forts of the Rajasthan, whereas people are likely to visit. Then there are many roads. Then China Wall is a best example of man-made object, whereas the people are fascinated. Means these are the things whereas the people are visit. Then many statues, means you can get example of Statue of Liberties, then Statue of Unity, which is located into the our India, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue. Then another attraction in geography is the culture. We know there are different culture into the world. The India or the Eastern culture, Western culture, these are the two important types of the culture. The Eastern culture means the India, then China, Japan, then Korea. They have the Eastern culture and they have their specific own. And then another one culture is the Western culture. The what is the difference between the culture? In culture, religion is different. Then many times religion, language, casteism into the India you can find out. Then cloth, then food, then their traditions. These are the among the part of these cultures, and this culture are fascinate to the peoples. Like as Most of the people or the most of the visitors come into the India to see Dahi Handi. This is the culture of our Maharashtra. Many foreign visitors are likely to see the Dahi Handi Utsav into the Mumbai, such as Holi. Then there are many holidays into the Punjabs, then Kerala in Maharashtra. They are fascinates the people towards them. Means these are the three major attractions: natural features, man-made objects, and different culture of the world. Thank you. Thank you very much.